Welcome back to the channel as we explore these stunning artificial flower hanging baskets for your outdoor space. Each set features 12 bundles of vibrant silk daisies paired with lush green eucalyptus stems for maximum realism. These premium faux plants are completely UV resistant and waterproof to withstand any harsh weather conditions easily. You will love the maintenance-free design because these flowers never require watering or any regular cleaning. The included 10-inch metal basket and chain make it very simple to create a beautiful DIY display. Transform your porch or patio into a colorful oasis with these lifelike orange, brown, and yellow blossoms. Enhance your home decor with a timeless floral arrangement that stays bright and fresh all year long. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.